Today we are going to look at operator overloading in Python. Operator overloading is a type of polymorphism where different operators have different implementations depending on their arguments. For instance, plus operator will perform string concatenation if the arguments are strings, and it will perform addition if the arguments are numbers. You can see an example here, plus operator working on the context of strings, and you can see the result is string concatenation. And the second example, plus operator working in the context of numbers and produces addition. Let us play with the operator overloading by creating a mysterious class of numbers called numberX. Here you can see a numberX object has been created by passing an integer 456 to the numberX class. Let us overload the following operators: plus operator, in operator, index operator for this class. Now here you can see I have written the numberX class. Here written a constructor which accepts an argument, and that argument is saved to self.data. Below you can see two objects have been initialized for the numberX class, x and y. First one accepts 4, 5, 6 as the data, and second accepts 1, 2, 3 as a data. Okay, let us go to here. First let us go to plus operator concatenation. Concatenation of the first digits of their numbers. So when you are doing the plus operator for this numberX objects, you need to pick the first digits of both the numbers and concatenate. Here x is the 4, 5, 6, and you are taking the 4, and y is the 1, 2, 3, and you are taking 1. This is how this concatenation works for this numberX. Let us implement that one. If you want to overload the plus operator, you need to use the magic method dev add. Sorry, we are working on add only. Okay, fine. Add. Here what you need to do is that first you convert this data self.data. This is the first operand. Number x object on the left side of the plus operator, and take the first digit and do the string concatenation here. For the second number x object, here is the others.data, and use the first digit 0. Now what you can do is that one, go here and print x plus y, and print y plus x. Now in the case of x plus y, 41 should print, and in the case of y plus x, 14 and 14 we should print. 41 and 40, correct. We have successfully implemented the we successfully overloaded the plus operator here. Let us take the next operator, is a in operator. Check the objects contain a number. So you need to check whether this number contains the x or not. If it is contained, it should say true. Okay, I will do one thing. I will remove all the unnecessary part. So in operator, if you want to overload in operator, you need to use contains. You need to check that item is contained or not. What I will do is that I will convert to string so that I can easily implement this part. We are checking this number, we are converting the string, and whether it's inside this number also got converted to strings, and checking in operator. Now I can print here, print 4, 5 in x. It should be true because this contains 4, 5. Yeah, true. What about 4 6 5? It should be false. False. What about 6 5? Should be false. False. What about 5 6? It should be true. Yeah, correct. We overload the in operator. Let us check the next. Next is the index operator. Index should be counted from right to left. Okay. Okay, let us implement that. I'll remove the unnecessary parts. So if you want to overload the index operator, you need to use get item. I don't know why they are showing item here. I will change it to index. So return. First you convert the integer to string, then I use this operator or index operator and index plus ones. Basically, if you want to count from this side, so you can use the minus, and if you are using minus, they will start this is a 1 and this is a 2, this is a 3. Since we want to start from in 0, we will add 1 so that index become automatically 1. Now let us check x of 0. It should be 6 because it's starting from, it's a 0, it should print 6, correct. If it is 1, it should print 5 because 0 1. Next 2 is a 4. Yeah, correct. We implemented that the third operators. That's all. Thanks for watching.